Hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about the Donner bass ukulele. I've done an unboxing video before and a playing demo without it being connected. And for this video, I got an amp and we're going to hook it up and talk about what it sounds like, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and if I recommend it. But first, if you would like to learn how to play ukulele from scratch, see unboxings and reviews, then subscribe to this channel. Okay, so if you're a ukulele player and you're getting all excited, like you're thinking, oh my gosh, a bass uke, I'll play my C chord and it's gonna sound really low and really cool under the other ukuleles, hold your horses. This is not really exactly like a ukulele. This is not like a soprano, concert tenor, or even a baritone ukulele. This is totally different. The strings on it are E, A, D, G, and it's not really meant to be played in a chord form. You're more like meant to be playing single notes. So for example, if you have a chord progression like C to A minor, F to G, as a bass player, you would be playing the single notes under it to make everybody else kind of sound more complete. So if you're getting a bass uke, I would recommend you use it to play in groups. いきます。はい。That one was much better. I didn't. Okay, so I plugged it into an amp now and I'm gonna play a few notes for you just so you can hear it. Instrument does come with a gig bag that is lightly padded. This gig bag would be good if you're just traveling from home to like a friend's house or to like a coffee shop where you're performing. But if you're going to do more heavy duty traveling with this ukulele or with this bass, I recommend a heavier duty gig bag, something that's going to protect it more. So the bottom line, do I recommend this instrument to my viewers? And here is a mixed yes and no. So if you are willing to learn this instrument as a new instrument, then I would recommend it to you. The instrument itself is great. I really like it. I have not been able to put it down. But if you're going to look at this like a ukulele, like if you want something that plays chords, this is probably not the instrument for you. I'm not trying to be negative about a really good instrument. It's just that I don't want you to order this instrument and then try and play chords on it and be really disappointed when you don't get the sound that you're looking for. This is more of a single note kind of instrument, and if you look up bass tutorials, then you would be able to follow along because strings are the same on this as they are on a bass guitar. So if you're willing to learn this and look at it like a bass guitar, then I think it's perfect for you. And if you're a bass player and you want something more compact that you can travel with or that you can play without an amp, then I think that this instrument is for you. If you buy the instrument, you do not need an amp. You can still enjoy the sound of it without it. However, I think that you get that kind of like really nice beefy sound with it when you get an amp. If you have a bass ukulele, please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions about this instrument or you're considering buying it, let us know in the comments below too. We can answer your questions. That's what the community is for. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more tutorials like this one, also let me know. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next one. Sayonara!